Look what happens if you drink a cup of golden milk every day. One of its main ingredients is turmeric, and consists of a mixture of spices with different healing properties and reliefs taken with hot milk. In this video we will teach you how to prepare this natural remedy easy and fast. Ingredients, for 1 cup. 1. A cup of almond milk or rice or milk of your choice. 2. Half a spoonful of turmeric powder. 3. A spoonful of honey. 4. Half a tablespoon of ginger powder. 5. Half a spoonful of cinnamon powder. 6. Half a tablespoon of cardamom powder. 7. A strand of saffron. 8. A pinch of black pepper or cayenne pepper, optional. 9. A pinch of pink Himalayan salt. 10. Half a spoonful of virgin coconut oil. Instructions: put the milk to heat in a small saucepan. Remove from heat before boiling. Add all the ingredients, honey last. Mix well with a stick. Use a hand mixer or small milk whisk to get a soft drink with foam. Serve in a cup, drink well and enjoy. Benefits of some of the ingredients: turmeric helps digestion, relieves gas, detoxifies the liver, is also antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, increases defenses and helps to cure respiratory diseases. Ginger is antibacterial, expectorant and analgesic. Always remember to share with your family and friends, and enjoy this powerful drink.